Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a truckerized tune-up report for Larry in Indiana on his RCI-2995dxHP. Larry, got it ready to go for you, bud? You're going to get this cool looking carbon fiber edition aesthetic 636Ls as well as a 4 to 6 pin mic adapter. Get all the audio mods, power mods, clarifier mod, high cut filter on the back as well as the amp on off switch, wideband transmit and receive. Power supply upgrade. So let's start out with RF power all the way down, 250 watt slug. There's 5 watts all the way down, Larry, unless you decide to run like an 8 pill or something. 60 all the way up. I'm gonna show you average power swing with the old noise canceling mic here. Hello, about 135 bird. Go over here to the 500 watt slug MP. Hello, 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 hello. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. About 305, maybe 310. All right, my friend, we'll get that to you, Larry. I appreciate it. You got wise and you got truckerized from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.
Get your truckerized tune today. Truckerized.